Bex.
What's up?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
What good YouTube? I don't know. It's about Thuga and I'm back with another banger. You see me? So spam to comment section with Team Thuga straight. You see me? Watching on the people. She then there asleep. And she said for wake her up 5 o'clock because she want to upload a movie. So watching on people. Yo, watching her. Go kiss her. Every time I kiss her, I go wipe off my mouth and see. Just to get your reaction, guys. So you know it's not go pretty. So just like, share and comment. And drop a comment. Team Thuga. This is another banger. Like, share and subscribe, people. And don't know, follow social media platform down in the description link below. You see me? Yo, people just stay tuned. Alright guys, so I try and basic hide the camera and put I try and put something. Alright guys, I don't know if you wanna see me, but hope if you wanna see in the state, there's a banger plan. Babe. You know, get up and babe. Babe. And I eat it. There's something for week, yo.
It's what I'm so ready to video.
You take me here. You see it from tree sitting. I look funny time now. You want to kiss him, babe?
Babe, you don't like when people talk on your face.
You want to kiss him, babe? Just one kiss. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. You want to kiss him? Babe. You see, still there, see if I do me, would I be a kiss? Can we kiss, maybe?
Babe, we go in.
Give me a kiss first. Bro. Next. You know one more kiss. One kiss, maybe? One more kiss. You want one more kiss, maybe?
I have to say I wipe your cushion.
You know wipe off it, you see wipe off it? I sit in my mouth. I sit in my mouth wipe off it. What be?
Yeah, wipe off me.
Be. You wipe off the kiss?
Yeah, so if you kiss her, you wipe your cushion.
Me tell you say I sit in my mouth.
Every time you kiss her something away your mouth, did that and then I wipe your.
Kiss me again.
Yeah, take my period to know do that.
Kiss me again, baby. Kiss me again, nice. I sit in my mouth, you wipe off.
Babe, continue wipe you.
One more kiss. One more kiss, baby.
Rushan, avoid me.
You tell us you're sitting up on me more like. So you can't bother with this and get upset to us simple thing.
We can't bother with your wife off kiss on your.
Me no wipe off it. Me tell us you're sitting up on me more, me go so.
One wife off is sitting up on you? Eh? Eh?
Tell her stop raising her for me every time, you know. What else you going? Do you know me now put me on fire, you know? Do you know me now put me on fire? Just... You want more kiss me? Man, you kiss me there, I see I sleep on more there.
So we kiss a bit, you're not a
No, I'm kiss.
Russian, stop playing with me.
I'm a jaw crack, Jesus. I'm a jaw cracking babe. We just go somewhere off my jaw. My jaw. And now you kiss me and wipe off. This bakes over some simple sitting. We go serious and me and wipe off kiss. I bakes me. You bakes you see?
Baby ask me to kiss and then you wipe you up and then
Me no wipe you up.
Me
no wipe you up. Me no wipe you
Stop
up.
rambling. Stop
Me no wipe. You see me wipe you off?
Babe, just go on, baby. I don't know what to do. Baby, we have shooting tomorrow, babe. We have movie to shoot tomorrow, babe. We post on the channel, babe. Kiera TV, babe. We have movie to shoot tomorrow. Go on your bed, babe. Tell you look like Kiera, you like some. Yeah, edit. Go on your bed.
Maybe some.
We should stop piss me out.
One more kiss. Me tell you the truth, don't worry about more.
We should know you. No, we have to tell the truth.
Just upset over simple sitting there. I same thing yesterday, upset, you know. Simple sitting.
Don't start with me.
A simple sitting there. Listen, me and talk.
Don't start with me, babe.
We are talk,
If you don't want me, cause I'm going bad night. And night rush and me can make nice. People in the bed don't start with me. Cause we do this never simple.
babe. Me just kiss you and go so. And then kiss me about babe.
Kiss Russian. Me a wipe off your kiss. Your mouth
And
stink.
like, over mouth thing, the bread. I feel your mouth thing. That's why I wipe on my mouth.
The kiss ear stink.
Tears. And wipe back your kiss too, you know.
Russian, I buy me, please. Russian, don't I buy
Wipe
me.
back your kiss.
I buy me. Stop touching me.
Say still.
No, wait, me gonna ask me to kiss and you wipe it out.
Me no wipe back, no tell her like the guy come down right, yes sir. Me no wipe back no kiss. You will see me wipe back kiss right, yes sir?
Something left your mouth again.
No, yes sir, me wipe my chin.
Something left your chin. Something left your chin? One thing
Don't
to make
one
you.
bump my bus there.
Oh, come here bigger than grand, big got Russian. Don't get me man. That thing is gone my own. Never do one of this.
Can't go there. See, it's the one here, Jay. Just get upset over some simple thing. Simple little thing. Yeah, get upset.
Don't talk too much.
Don't talk to stop the night.
Again?
Do what you do.
I tell me say prank this
Do what you do, no man.
Okay, last day to that tonight, Sean. Don't play up.
Do what you do. Do what you do, no.
I'm playing this way.
Continue do what you do, no.
Stop playing with me, Sean. And don't wake me up.
Just always upset me, you. Babe.
Yeah, John.
Come with it. I said, me I go so. Are you my jumper? Are you my jumper?
Who like you? Get your board.
I'm back at me, let's go so. Oh. You want you just a bex.
What's up? You see, play one of them.
A prank, a prank.
What kind of prank?
Babe, listen man, see sitting.
Stop playing with me.
See sitting right over here, so babe. Yes guys, it's another banger. Just like, share, spam the comment section with Team Thuga. You don't know, so this is another banger, you see me? Tell the people them Team Thuga.
For me, you want to take my video, baby. You kiss me and I want to
Tell the people them Team Thuga.
Team janiel, no Team Thuga. Move and go with that.
Team
mash that up.
Thuga. Team Thuga.
Yeah,
Say
mash
Team
that
Thuga.
up.
Mash up what?
That.
You come like you sleep on the wrong side. You sleep on the wrong side?
Babe, move.
Team Thuga no man. Team Thuga. Spam the comment section guys. This is a banger. You see me? So, yo.
Make sure
You don't know say. When me prank. When me. That be nice. When me prank. When you don't see me in front of the camera. A trouble. You see me? So just like, share and subscribe to the comment section with Team Thuga. I'm out here guys. Just stay tuned for the next banger.